Hello. Imagine this. You you sleep because of a thunderstorm and you wake up. You go outside and suddenly decide to go to the farm and see your pig turn into this. There's a chance of 1 in 200,000 chance that a mob can be hit by a lightning strike. So it's important to put some lightning rod in your house. Bye.